Marami nagtatanong sa akin, ano bang negosyo yung pwede kong simulan ngayong taon na to? Para sa akin, ang isa sa pinakamagandang negosyo na pwede mong simulan ngayong taon na to is mag-online travel and tours business ka. Bakit? Kasi hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital. Hindi mo kailangan magtayo muna ng pwesto, hindi mo kailangan mag-rent o kumuha ng maraming tao. Yung cellphone mo lang, pwede ka na magsimula ng online travel business. Ang kailangan mo lang ay maghanap ka ng legit partner na pwedeng sumuporta sa travel business na gusto mong simulan. Ang kagandahan nito, malaki ang earning potential na pwede mong kitain. At ang good news dyan, global ang market reach mo. Hello guys! Nandito nga pala tayo ngayon sa Global Pinoy Travel, no? Para masupport natin yung travel business na gusto mong simulan. Ma'am Arlene, ano bang mga services ang ino-offer ng travel and tours sa mga online travel agency?
Our services includes airline ticketing, hotel accommodation, travel and tours package, local and international, visa assistance.
Not only that, nag-offer pa sila ng mga add-on services para lalo nilang ma-fuel ang kanilang mga sub-agents to operate a travel business. Because naglagay pa sila ng e-load, bills payment, remittance, and insurance. So, grabe mga kaibigan. Lahat na ng services ipinrovide sa'yo para ma-fuel ng gusto ang travel business mo. Ang news dyan, ang Global Pinoy Travel ay accredited pa ng mga prestigious agencies na kailangan ng isang travel agency. Katulad ng IATA, PTAA, UCTA, PhilToa, at marami pang mga agencies na kailangan salihan ay member ang Global Pinoy Travel. Not only that, dahil ang Global Pinoy Travel ay 12 years nang nag-ooperate sa industry, ang dami na niyang awards na natatanggap, especially sa mga airlines dito sa Pilipinas, katulad na lang ng Cebu Pacific. These are the few awards na meron ng Global Pinoy Travel. So, unang award nila ay noong pang 2018. So, since 2018, tuloy-tuloy ang award na natatanggap ng Global Pinoy Travel. 2018, 2019, 2020, then nag-pandemic na-awardan pa rin siya. And lastly, nag-award ng 2022. Pasok pa rin ang Global Pinoy Travel sa award sa Cebu Pacific. Then, hindi lang yan, pati Philippine Airlines, awarded siya. Then, Air Asia. Tama? Ang daming awards na natatanggap ng Global Pinoy Travel. Kaya, alam mo na ngayon kung saang travel agency ka pwedeng sumali para ma-fuel yung travel business mo. And recently, this 2024, nagbigay ng awards again ang tatlong airlines. Ang good news dyan, meron na naman tayong award sa Air Asia, sa Crimson Hotel, Alabang, awarded na naman siya. And the Philippine Airlines, award na naman tayo. Diba? And Cebu Pacific, this year, tatlong award na naman ang nakuha natin sa tatlong malalaking airlines. Kaya, kaibigan, kung magsisimula ka ng travel business, siguraduhin mo, yung sasalihan mo, ay yung siguradong may bibigay ang mga travel requirements na kailangan mo para mapatakbo mo ang iyong travel business. Kaya mga kaibigan, sa lahat na nangangarap dyan na magsimula ng business, again, travel and tours ang isa sa pinaka-hotcake na business na pwede mong simulan para kumita ng maganda at makuha mo ang mga pangarap mo. Kaya doon sa mga interesado dyan, kunin nyo lang yung contact details ng Global Pinoy Travel and kausapin mo sila para ma-accredit ka na nila na maging sub-agent ng kanilang travel business. Okay? Bye-bye!
With its headquarters located in Quezon City, the Philippines, Global Pinoy Travel and Tours has been in the travel business since 2012. In addition to being a Department of Tourism accredited agency and certified International Association of Travel Agencies, GPTT is registered with the Security and Exchange Commission. For its individual and corporate clients, both domestically and internationally, GPTT does well in organizing tours and leisure travel. Businesses, entrepreneurs, families, groups, and leisure travelers make up the majority of our clientele. The services that we provide are as follows: ticketing, hotel booking, package tours, travel insurance, visa assistance, transportation ticketing, and corporate accounts. Our achievements: 2018 Cebu Pacific Silver Eagle Award, 2019 Cebu Pacific Gold Eagle Award, 2020 Cebu Pacific Bronze Eagle Award, 2022 Cebu Pacific Top Producer, Philippine Airlines Silver PAL Award. For 2018, Air Asia Red Star Agent for 2019. Introducing our partners.
Let me guys introduce to you our company, which is Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, or which you guys is called GPTT for short. So we are a traditional travel business agency that has been operating since 2012, guys. We organize tours and leisure activities for not only locals or like solo clients, but also corporate groups. So we have a variety of services for you all. As a little secret na pwede kong sabihin sa inyo, we are also developing this new application called Next Trip, which will be a helping tool for those who are startup to mid-sized travel agencies. Diba? Thank you so much for giving me your time and have a great day. Thank you. See you on your next trip.
Hi. Ang mahal.
Hindi matuloy ang dream travel? Have your own travel agency with Next Trip. Booking, discounts, rewards, and more. Lower prices compared to other travel apps. You have more time to spend with your loved ones. Matutupad na ang iyong dream travel because there's more to explore with Next Trip.
Where's your next trip? Want to know more about Next Trip? Swing by our booth for an exciting adventure full of fun and games, win prizes, and discover a new world of travel.